If you notice that your dehumidifier isn't working as efficiently as it used to, it might be time to replace it. Dehumidifiers help reduce the amount of humidity in the air and can prevent or eliminate musty odors. If your dehumidifier isn't working, it means it isn't able to draw moisture out of the air, leading to uncomfortable and unpleasant odors. If your dehumidifier is more than 5 years old, worn out, or simply isn't doing its job, purchasing a new model is recommended. Depending on the model of your dehumidifier, factors like size and capacity may have to be considered when searching for a new one. It's important to pick a dehumidifier that can handle your home's size and humidity levels. Be sure to look for a model with features that work best for your specific environment, such as auto restart, auto shut off, humidistat, and energy efficiency. When deciding if you should replace your dehumidifier, it's important to understand how often you'll use it and how often you'll need to empty the tank. If you have recurring problems with excess humidity or your dehumidifier isn't working properly, it's time to consider purchasing a new one. Also, check to see if your current dehumidifier is still under warranty and research similar models to make sure you're buying one that's right for your home. Consider the coverage area it will have in your home and the size of the water tank. If you need a larger capacity dehumidifier, a model with higher pints per day rating may be a better choice. If you're using the dehumidifier in a bigger room, look for one with a larger coverage area. While the size is an important factor, make sure you also check the features of the unit you choose. If you expect prolonged use, look for a dehumidifier that has self-cleaning and self-defrosting features. Look for a unit that is durable, has adjustable settings, and offers continuous run times to suit your needs. Keep in mind that a dehumidifier requires regular cleaning and maintenance to ensure it keeps running properly. Be sure to read reviews about the unit you're considering before taking the plunge and buying it. If you shop around and research your options, you'll be able to make an informed decision and get the best dehumidifier for your needs. Replacing your dehumidifier can be costly, but in the long run, it can save you money by eliminating repair bills and preventing expensive damage to your home. Moreover, a good dehumidifier is energy efficient and can help reduce your electricity bills. Investing in the right model ensures the best performance, reliability, and energy efficiency for your home. Buying a new dehumidifier also includes the benefit of being up to date with the latest technology and features. Finally, remember to recycle your old dehumidifier by taking it to a local recycling center or donating it to a charitable organization. When looking for a new dehumidifier, consult with an expert to make sure you buy a unit that best suits your needs.